I have a cat. I have a cat. Mwen genyen yon chat. I have a dog. I have a dog. Mwen genyen yon chien. I have a car. I have a car. Mwen genyen yon machine. We have a house. We have a house. Nou genyen yon kay. I have a book. I have a book. Mwen genyen yon liv. I have a notebook. I have a notebook. Mwen genyen yon kane not. He has a watch. He has a watch. Li genyen yon mont. I have a bike. I have a bike. Mwen genyen yon bekan. I have a shop. I have a shop. Mwen genyen yon boutique. She has a hat. She has a hat. Li genyen yon chapeau. I have a boat. I have a boat. Mwen genyen yon bateau. I have a monkey. I have a monkey. Mwen genyen yon makak. They have a company. They have a company. Yo genyen yon kompany. I have a computer. I have a computer. Mwen genyen yon ordinateur. I have a motorcycle. I have a motorcycle. Mwen genyen yon moto. He has a flat. He has a flat. Li genyen yon appartement. I have a phone. I have a phone. Mwen genyen yon téléphone. I have a necklace. I have a necklace. Mwen genyen yon kolye. You have a ring. You have a ring. Ou genyen yon bag. I have a suit. I have a suit. Mwen genyen yon costume. I have a horse. I have a horse. Mwen genyen yon cheval. We have a pole. We have a pool. Nou genyen yon piscine. She has a mansion. She has a mansion. Li genyen yon manoir. I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. Mwen genyen yon menaj. I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. Mwen genyen yon menaj.